Ever tried making fries or chicken in your air fryer only to end up with unevenly cooked food, greasy textures, or dishes that just don't come out right? It's frustrating, especially when you want a quick, healthy meal without sacrificing taste. Enter the Kismile Air Fryer 4.5 quart and 1.8 quart, a compact yet surprisingly powerful air fryer with dual glass containers that let you cook, grill, bake, roast, reheat, and keep warm, all while actually seeing what's happening inside. If you're looking for precision, versatility, and a healthier approach to frying, this could be the solution you've been waiting for. Right off the bat, the standout feature is the dual glass containers, a 1.8 quart personal size and a 4.5 quart family size. Unlike traditional opaque air fryers, the glass lets you watch your food as it cooks, which may sound like a small convenience, but makes a huge difference. You can monitor browning, crispiness, and even bubbling sauces in real time. The glass is non-toxic, BPA-free, and free of chemical coatings, so you can cook and store food safely. Even pop the container in the fridge or microwave afterward design-wise. This air fryer is surprisingly elegant for something so compact. The creamy finish looks modern, and the stackable dual bowls save countertop space without feeling cramped. The base is stable with heat-safe feet, so you can place it on granite, laminate, or quartz counters without worrying about scorching. Everything feels thoughtfully designed for everyday use. Performance is where the Kismile really shines. The 1550W rapid heating element gets the container up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in seconds, meaning less waiting and faster meal prep. Temperature is adjustable from 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit in precise increments, and the timer can be set from 1 to 60 minutes. That kind of control ensures even cooking, whether you're air frying chicken wings, roasting veggies, or baking a small cake. With up to 95% less oil, you can achieve that golden, crisp texture without greasiness. Perfect for anyone trying to eat healthier without sacrificing the deep-fried taste. Versatility is another strong suit. You can switch seamlessly between air frying, grilling, baking, roasting, reheating, and keeping food warm. If you're someone who likes experimenting in the kitchen, this gives you a lot of flexibility in a single appliance. The smaller bowl is perfect for personal meals, meal prep, or even camping and outdoor cooking, while the larger bowl can handle meals for 2 or more people. It's rare to find a compact air fryer that covers both personal and family-sized meals so efficiently. Cleaning is refreshingly easy. Both glass bowls and the removable base are dishwasher-safe, and the detachable design simplifies maintenance. That's a big deal for anyone who cooks regularly. Cleanup doesn't feel like a chore, which encourages daily use in terms of speed and efficiency. This model is surprisingly quick for its size. The heat distributes evenly across the glass container, so you don't get hot spots or unevenly cooked food, which is a common complaint with cheaper air fryers. Noise is minimal, basically a quiet hum of the fan while cooking, so it won't disrupt conversation or TV time in your kitchen. But of course, there are trade-offs. Because it's glass, you do need to handle the bowls with care. Dropping them or knocking them over could lead to cracks. Also, while the dual sizes are great for versatility, if you mostly cook for a large family, the 4.5 quart bowl might feel slightly limiting compared to larger 6 to 8 quart models. And while it's compact, the stackable bowls still require a bit of vertical clearance on your countertop. Compared to other air fryers in this price range, like the Kasori 5.8 quart or the Ninja Footy 6 quart, the Kismile stands out for its transparency, dual sizes, and chemical-free glass construction. Those other models might offer more preset programs or digital touchscreens, but you won't get the ability to visually monitor your food while cooking, which can prevent overcooking or guesswork. Who should get this? Health-conscious individuals, small families, or anyone who wants versatility in a compact design will benefit. Who should skip it? Large families who need bigger single-batch cooking capacity, or anyone uncomfortable with handling glass containers that's fast, versatile, safe, and surprisingly capable for its size, making it a strong choice for those who want healthier cooking without sacrificing texture or flavor. If you're ready to cook smarter and healthier while actually seeing your food cook, check the link in the description. If this review helped you, Hit like, subscribe for more honest kitchen gear reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.